Children, so we are starting with the first full question of admission chapter. So let us discuss the question. Gautam and Rahul are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. As it is our first question, so I am giving it question 1. So the old ratio is 2:3. 2:3 is old ratio. Okay. Now see, I will teach you how we can easily identify each and every item. Okay. So let us find. Now on liability side we will see sundry creditors. What are these? Liability, bills payable, liability, general reserve. We have studied topic accumulated profit and loss. So we know general reserve is distributed in old ratio. So we are writing here old ratio. Capital account will go to balance BD in capital account. So these two will go to by balance BD. Okay. Now on asset side, goodwill, it is purchased goodwill because it is appearing in balance sheet. Whenever you see goodwill in balance sheet means it is purchased goodwill. I have explained purchased goodwill in my previous video. You can check there. So here old ratio, it will also go to old ratio. Furniture is asset, stock asset, sundry debtor asset, provisions are liabilities. You will find that okay, this is on asset side, how it is liability. So provisions are on asset side, but see these are less deducted, not added to assets, means these are of opposite nature. So provisions are a liability. In many questions you will find provisions given on liability side also. Cash in hand is also asset. Okay, total asset is given here. Now what we need to see here, this 70,000 is total of 30 and 40, 70,000 means capital of both the partners. Now total is given asset and liability. So Karim was to be taken as a partner with effect from 1st April 2023 on the following terms. What were the terms? The new profit sharing ratio, means here new ratio is given of Gautam, Rahul and Karim would be 5:3:2. So this is new ratio. Whenever you are given old ratio as well as new ratio in the question, it means you need to calculate sacrifice ratio. What you need to calculate? Sacrifice ratio. And tell me, what is the formula of sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio equals old ratio minus new ratio. So how will we calculate sacrifice ratio? So we will calculate sacrifice ratio. Who will sacrifice? Old partners will sacrifice because they are sacrificing something for a new partner. So who are the old partner? One is Gautam. As we do this in working notes, so we can write in short. So Gautam and Rahul, two are there. So what is the old ratio for Gautam? Gautam's old ratio is 2/5 and Rahul's old ratio is 3/5 minus new ratio. New ratio is what? 5:3:2 means 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Old ratio was 2/5 and 3/5. So minus 5/10. So calculate what will be there. 5 and 10 LCM 10, 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4 minus 10 1 ja 5 1 ja 5. So minus 1/10. If you are getting sacrifice ratio in minus, means partner is not actually sacrificing, he is gaining. So here Gautam is gaining. Okay, and for Rahul we will calculate 3/5. 3/5 minus new ratio Rahul's 3/10. Okay, so here 10, 5 and 10 LCM 5 2 ja, so 3 2 ja 6. I have taught earlier also how to calculate. 10 1 ja, so 3 1 ja 3. So here 3/10 sacrifice means only Rahul is sacrificing. See, for how much share Karim is coming? Karim is coming for 2/10. And how much Rahul is sacrificing? 3/10. Means 1/10 extra Rahul is sacrificing, which Gautam is gaining. So here while doing journal for goodwill, premium for goodwill, Rahul will get compensated by Karim's premium also and by Gautam also. Okay, so what will be journal? First journal we do bank account debit to premium for goodwill, and when second journal we will do premium for goodwill account debit. That time gaining partner should be debited. We have learnt earlier that G2S we do. G2S means gaining partner should go to debit side. So here Gautam is gaining, so Gautam will also go to debit side, and Rahul is sacrificing, so Rahul will go to credit, and premium, total premium money will be taken by Rahul, because only Rahul is sacrificing, no one else is sacrificing. Whoever will sacrifice, they will only take the amount of premium for goodwill. Okay, others partner will not take, only those partner will take who are sacrificing for the new partner. New partner brings premium for goodwill for the sacrificing partner. So here only Rahul is sacrificing, Rahul will get the premium, and Rahul is sacrificing more than Karim's share. So rest part which Rahul is sacrificing for Gautam, that Gautam will compensate. So from Gautam capital it will be deducted, and in Rahul capital it will be added. So that's why journal will become premium for goodwill account debit, Gautam's capital account debit to Rahul's capital. That I will show you by doing also. Now I am just explaining the question, that how we should go through the question. Read the question thoroughly. Each and every part should be clear in your mind. Without reading the question properly, without understanding the question properly, just reading the first few sentences, we should never start the question. Okay. So next is provision for doubtful debts would be raised to 20%. This is provision means what? Liability. Any information related asset and liability, it means it is related to revaluation account. Okay. So what they are saying, provision for doubtful debts would be raised. Raised means increased. 2 means 20%. 2 means destination. 2 means it will be 20% of debtors. So what is debtor? 12,000. So calculate here, 12,000 into 20 by 100. And easily how you can calculate? 10% we calculate by hiding 1 0. So 1200. So 20% double of 10%. So 2400. So here easily you can write 2400 should be. Indirectly they are saying provision should be 2400. And now how much provision is here? 2000. So from 2000 we need to make it 2400. Means how much increase is there in provision? How much liability is increasing here? 400. So L plus 400 we have got. In provision, liability is increasing by 400. Okay. Reaching to 2400 and increasing by 400. Now Karim would bring in cash his capital 40,000 and his share of goodwill. This share of goodwill is premium for goodwill. This is premium for goodwill, PFG. Okay, premium for goodwill. And this 40,000. Now see, he will bring in cash, question will give, but we need to check in balance sheet. If here cash in hand is there, then in journal we will use cash, and if here cash at bank is given, then we will use bank. So you have to be vigilant in the balance sheet what is explained there. Okay. Then next is Gautam would take over the furniture at 22,000. Means a partner Gautam is taking the furniture. So simple journal, Gautam's capital account debit to furniture, because furniture is going out of business and Gautam's capital will be reduced. Furniture's amount will be cut by Gautam's capital, cut from Gautam's capital. So this is a simple journal. But along with that, one more thing is given, that he is purchasing at 22,000. So now we need to compare the price. Price is how much? 25,000. So here A minus is here 3,000, means loss on value of assets is, loss is 3,000. Okay, loss is 3,000. Here also loss is 400. And two journals will be there. One what will be there? Gautam debit to furniture. Okay, one journal will be for 22,000 and another for evaluation account. Okay, now what we are required to? Pass journal entries at the time of Karim's admission and prepare the balance sheet. Whenever question will give you journal entry, many a time it will ask for balance sheet. See, if question is giving you journal and balance sheet asking, to do journal entry, you need to calculate, prepare revaluation account also, because you need to do journal of revaluation profit loss also. And for journal entry, you need to make capital account also. And if adjustment is not there, then you can ignore the journal of capital account, but you can ignore making capital account. But for balance sheet, final amount, balance CD we take to balance sheet. So that closing balance we need. So anyhow we need to prepare capital account. So for these two, if these are not asked in solution of question, how we can calculate sort, in sort, that also I will teach you. Okay, which will save our time. So here what question is asking? Journal entries and balance sheet. What you people do at home when you are solving the question, do journal, revaluation, capital, balance sheet whole. Okay, so that you are in proper practice. In exam, be specific. whatever is asked, do only that much. Okay. So let us see how we will start with the journal. So first, what I told you, we will have sequence of journal. In the very first chapter of standard 11, when you are studying definition of accounting, that time you have studied accounting is a systematic record. So why to do in haphazard manner? Let us see. First we will start in journal with old ratio journal. Whatever old ratio items will be there, we will take first. Then we will go for evaluation item. Okay, revaluation. After that we will go for admission condition. Okay, so old ratio journal, what are there? Goodwill and this side general reserve. So any can be 1 and 2, either you keep this one, this two, this one, this two, no problem, but all the old ratio you keep together. Okay, so two journals we are getting here, 1 and 2. Then revaluation, how many items are here? L plus and EMI, both are loss, gain is nowhere. So only one journal for evaluation, and that loss transfer, directly we can transfer the loss. Okay, so two journal for evaluation, 2 plus 2, 4 journals, and then for one journal for taking this furniture by Rahul. This is specific journal which you will not find in all questions. Some questions you will find this type of question. So 5, and 2 journal for admission condition, this bringing capital and premium for goodwill share. So 5 plus 2, 7 journal we will learn here. So let us start. So first journal we will write here, question 1, journal entries. I am not preparing here format. Okay, in standard 11 we learn all the formats and patterns and presentation technique. In 12 portion is very vast, so we totally focus on our syllabus and content. Okay, so first journal I start with goodwill. So what will be the first journal? Or let us start with general reserve. Why to start from loss? Start from the gain. So first general reserve journal I am doing here. So general reserve account debit. If you do with me all the journal, you will memorize. General reserve account debit to all partner in old ratio. So who are the old partner here? Gautam and Rahul. So to Gautam's capital account and to Rahul's capital account. Okay. Now we will write narration. General reserve transferred or distributed, you can write transferred in old ratio. You can also write credited in old ratio. So what is the amount of general reserve? It is 10,000. And what is old ratio? 2:3. So 2:3 means what? 5. So simply we can calculate. See, 2:3 means 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 2 ja 10. So 2 2 ja 4. 4,000 for Gautam. And 2 3 ja 6. 6,000 for Rahul. I am teaching you the calculation also, which should save your time. Next journal for goodwill we are doing. So this is profit. So general reserve to partners capital. This is loss. So partners capital to goodwill. So we will write here partners who are Gautam's capital account debit. Then Rahul's capital account debit. As I am explaining, it's taking time. Otherwise, you can do this journal in fast once you get concept clearance. To goodwill account. What is the amount of goodwill? This is also 10,000. See, if you find this type of question, your work gets easy. Calculation becomes easy. Again 10,000 you need to distribute in 2:3. So Gautam's capital 4,000 and this 6,000. This we need to be mindful. Otherwise, sometimes what happens, children do again calculation. What is the need to do again? Either debit or credit. Ratio will be same. Narration, goodwill, written off. For goodwill we write goodwill written off because this is purchased goodwill which is written off. Okay. Then third journal. So no old ratio are here. So we will go for revaluation now. So in revaluation account, what we are having? We are having loss. So in case of loss, revaluation account debit. So revaluation account debit. Revaluation account debit to What are the losses? We need to write the name. Provision for doubtful debts. 2. Provision for doubtful debts. How much? 400. Only increase we need to take. How much increase is there? L plus. And 2 next is furniture. Only decrease in furniture we need to take A minus. So how much decrease is there? 3000. So total loss is 3400. Narration. Simply I am writing A minus means decrease in asset and L plus in increase in liability recorded. Completed. Next question you see 4 number. Next journal entry. Now see, if profit would also be there, then we prepare evaluation account and we see which side is more, then we distribute the profit or loss. Here only loss is there, means partners will have loss, and whenever partners will have loss, their accounts money will be cut, so their account will be debited. So here again Gautam's capital account debit, Rahul's capital account debit, to which loss is this? Revaluation loss, to revaluation account. How much loss is there? Total 3400. Distributed in which ratio? 2:3. So 3400 into 2:3. 2 plus 3 5. 5 6 ja 30. 4 5 8 ja 40 and 0. Okay. Now multiply with 2. So 0 8 2 ja 16, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12, 1 13. Then with 3, 0, 8 3 ja 24, carry 1, 6 3 ja 18, 1 19. Now add both 2, 6 4 10, carry 1, 9 3 12, 1 13. Okay, so calculation is error here. 6 8 3 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18 or 2 20. See, this is the benefit. If I would not have added, means this would be wrong. So always after distributing, after division, always add. So now check. 6 4 10, carry 1, 3 1 4, 2 1 3. Now narration, loss on revaluation transferred to capital accounts. Okay, this journal over. Now 4 journals. After this we should go to admission, but here one specific journal is there that Gautam is taking furniture. So if Gautam is taking furniture, firm will cut money from his account. So if Gautam's capital accounts money is getting cut, his account will be debited. As bank sends you message, your account has been debited, same way firm will say to Gautam that Gautam's account is debited. So here Gautam's capital account debit. Then to furniture account. Why it is debited? Because Gautam is taking furniture. And what is the rate of furniture? 22,000. Here also 22,000. Okay.